Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Let me have house coffee,
Regular large.
regular.
Got it. Anything else?
Uh, add some honey boba in there.
Unfortunately, boba isn't ready until another an hour, an hour and a half before we open.
What kind of add-on?
After.
What kind of add-on do you have?
We have aloe vera, crystal boba, custard pudding, and grass jelly at the moment.
Let me. Let's add crystal boba in there,
Yeah, of course. Anything else?
and then let me have one order of ham and.
One ham and burger. You got it. Anything else?
Okay, I thought it was ham and cheese, but okay, let's have that. That be it.
Okay, so I have a regular house coffee with crystal boba and a ham and maybe 988 the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. You guys remodeling? Remodeling?
Yes. Remodel our room.
Okay.
Thank you. Here is your hot coffee with crystal boba.
Thank you.
Here is your hamburger. Is there anything else I can get for you, sir?
Thank you very much. Let's see what we have. Ham and brie and a house coffee.